Wonderful people, today was a really exciting day. My elves box came. So excited to open it and to show you. If you want a discount code for the elves box, I'll put it in the description below. And let's go see what's in it. So here's my Sophie and Toffee box. It got a little bit damaged in the post, but I think that's just the post, because normally they arrive perfectly fine. And that's the big moment of opening it. I'm so excited for it. This is the February elves box, and I waited a long time for it. March will be UV dip wire art, which I'm also really excited for. But first, let's see what's in this box. You might hear some crinkling. We got some epoxy resin, 3:1 ratio for thicker sized projects, bigger or thicker. This is a really nice resin. I've used it before. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. We got a little mold where we can make dishes of, like for jewelry and stuff. If you have little rings or necklaces. A little kitty. Oh, that's so cute. And a unicorn. I love the little detail of the eye. That's so pretty. Little hinges, I think. Maybe we can make a box out of one of them or something. Or maybe to attach the next mold. Those are really cute. There's 4 slices to make like a geode or something, or like a sliced crystal. They're all on top of each other. Can't wait to use those because I really want to make some coasters. We have some this is the gold paint for the sides of the geode, to put like at the rim to give it a lot more detail. I don't know what this is because I haven't seen that before. Didn't know you were getting this. If you look at Sophie and Toffee online, like the Facebook page or at Instagram, they usually post some of the stuff they put in there, but not everything. So some things are a surprise. Just like the hinges, I didn't know those would be in there. Is this a pencil? Oh no, look, it's a little brush. That's so cute. Don't mind the stuff on my desk. It's a bit messy in my craft room, but if you don't have a messy craft room, do you have a craft room at all? Like, that's the job of a craft room, I think. Oh, that's so cute. It's so pretty. Those little crystals in there. And how I'm gonna close this with one hand again. I'll do that off camera. And it came in this little tube to protect it. Oh, and there's all kinds of colors here. We have a dense white alcohol ink. A white alcohol ink. So I guess one is heavier than the other. Transparent white color. Transparent black color. Ooh, sapphire alcohol ink. Oh, that's such a pretty color. It's still very dark in the bottle, but you can like tell if you put it to the light, it's a little bit blue. I'm really excited for that one. And oh, a green one. I'm so curious to try these out because I have a lot of alcohol inks. And I've never used these before. This is our new product from Sophie and Toffee. And I think they're also in the little booklet. There's instructions for the slices and trinket dishes. And the items. Yes, so they are to make a trinket box from the little seashells. I'm really excited for that. And let me see. Yeah, so The white alcohol inks are for different kind of effects. So that's really cool. Can't wait to try all these out. And I'll see you in the next video. Maybe I'll be making something from this. Bye bye.